You marked the one I went down on?
Yeah.
I was just asking. I just marked that.
You went on
Whatever, bro.
This is Louis, guys.
Louis.
Nice to meet you.
You met Jonny before.
Hey,
I think you met Vic at John probably too.
I don't think we met there.
Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe.
He's in the film world too, but he's high level black.
My brain, not so good these days.
See, the thing up here is. So I think we're gonna kind of like throw the whole. Thank you, man.
Good to see you.
I think we're gonna throw the whole like 10-minute recovery. We'll bump that a little bit longer. So I feel pretty good. Like this pace is really good. Feels good.
So you want to try to get as much,
We'll just keep going.
get as much
we'll just
over
keep going, and then I'll
as
like
you
maybe
can.
take 12 minutes later on.
Are
Right
we-
now we're at number.
So when we finish this,
Seven.
we'll be
Seven.
at 10 when we finish this, right?
Yeah.
We did 10 rounds.
No, this
so
is
that'll
he's
be
number
10
7,
people.
and then
No, I'm saying when we finish this
Yeah.
circulation of rounds
Yeah.
on the round timer, we'll be at 10.
yeah. Yes. Yes.
So every time
precisely.
we renew that, it's 10.
Yeah.
What's your increments that you're going in right now?
2 minutes on, 2 minutes off, and the plan was to take a 10-minute break at the end of every hour.
Uh-huh.
But I think we'll wait to do. I feel pretty good.
I think
This pace is-
you should front load your rolls for sure.
Yeah, just to compensate for maybe
For
lack of
any-
bodies later on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
You got water and all that
I
stuff.
got water. I got fruit. I got other stuff.
You're sludge.
Did you end up getting
First-
an ice bath or not?
Edwin's bringing an ice bath, maybe.
So he said he's close. He said over here, so we have.
We're gonna put it in the back, fill it with ice and water, and go
Sick.
back there and do that.
He's got everything loaded. Let's okay.
The link.
Go to tag.expert
Don't touch me yet.
/Rollathon.
Do
Yeah.
you want to hop in? When do you want to hop in?
And then
Whatever
you can-
I just,
and you
like
can-
I said,
Alright,
so Mitchell and I are
you can
going
just
in.
bring it whenever
Click watch
you
live.
Are you
from
ready
there,
to get
it'll
on?
take
You
you
need
straight
to
to the
change.
YouTube
I
video.
changed
A lot
it
of
for
talking here going on.
Whatever, I just showed up and figured I'd fit in whenever
Well,
however.
Get changed, and whenever you want to hop in, hop in.
Victor, Allan, Jonny, and Chase are behind the desk.
Mitchell, we got to see that pretty pass again, man.
Live streaming.
Oh, you like that?
Do that sexy
Yeah.
thing.
I've got to get there first. I've got to get in the mood.
The
Oh,
mood.
yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's fun.
24
Shine up his dome,
of
Clinton.
jiu-jitsu. 24
Oh.
fucking hours.
What's happening here? He's going for a little reverse triangle action. Oh. Yeah.
Just because I love him.
Too black a Belch.
Nice.
Black a Belch.
That's the get out of my face.
I was ready.
You leave my hand.
I was.
Does someone know how to work? I'm not good at Instagram. How do I put the link on there? So that was, I just
Oh, yeah.
finished the
Put in your
story.
profile.
Ask him
You gotta
when he'll-
copy and paste it. When you copy and paste it, you just paste it like right on there.
Can't you do a swipe
Wait,
up?
you can paste it on there.
Oh, he's right. Yeah, you couldn't do this. What was that?
How do you do swipe up?
Yeah, the swipe
Right,
up
do
on the
that.
story. That's what I was doing.
You have to have a certain amount of followers, I think.
Isn't it here? Isn't that what's that? What's this like here?
How many followers is that?
I don't
There you
know.
go.
How many followers do you have?
Yeah, it's what
More
we're
than
doing for shot.
20,000.
Yeah, I should probably get that. Done.
And Mitchell coming in with that nice hop over.
Okay, call to action needed, so that now I have to put a
Yeah.
Because behind the desk, we're talking about how to market the event properly on Instagram. So
thing in.
Mitchell, as I
I'm so
aforementioned,
so tech
it's a
dumb.
pretty solid black belt out in Hawaii.
He's got pee.
Put the
Go to take a tinker.
Wait, how do we get here though? Just what did you do?
hit the chain link thing at the top.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, fancy.
So just tell him what the link is.
Oh, that's nice.
Watch the
Oh.
love.
That's a mount.
Yeah, that's
That's a mount, mate.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Clinton just giving up mounts left and right.
Right?
You're a white belt. You want to get a good ego.
Oh, okay. Then you just gotta press the link chain.
So that's the call to action.
And then the link is. You guys
Oh, yeah.
you guys aren't working today?
I'm not working today. I'm working tomorrow.
Got it.
So you guys watch what Mitchell's about to do. He's grabbing my opposite leg to step and walk to the
Mitchell going
opposite
for the
side.
pass.
And then let's do.
There's a lot of black belts that use that specific pass. So check it, peep it.
Little guard recovery.
Okay, what the link?
I'm
There
like
you
the
go.
worst commentator ever. Ding dong.
Good job, my brother.
Are you only doing the gi? I mean, no gi?
Yeah.
I can't believe that I'm the gi. person.
I know.
You're the gi guy?
No, I'm the person that's asking about.
There you go.
Traditionally, I've been never
Yeah,
trained
so
with a
you wanna
gi
just hit-
until like many
Unless
many
you see
years
it
into
works.
my training.
It
And
doesn't
Yeah.
work.
I was always like
Yeah.
ostracized
something
and
else
never,
out.
you know, you guys don't do
Yeah,
jiu-jitsu. You know,